Hey, friends! I've got to share this incredibly awesome device with you all. Picture this. It comes with a massive 100 kWh capacity. It's like an energy treasure chest, capable of storing a huge amount of electricity. And its output power? A whopping 30 kilowatts. Whether it's AC 3-phase power or single-phase power output, it handles them with ease. This high adaptability makes it a top-notch choice in any situation. But that's not all. Here's the real game changer. It can charge itself using roadside DC charging plants. And it even supports a maximum 50 kilowatts fast charging input. The charging speed is so fast that you'll never have to worry about wasting time waiting for it to power up. Let me tell you a real-life example. A customer used it to charge drone batteries, and the results were outstanding. It fully met all the charging requirements, no questions asked. This device is not just powerful, it's also